Namaskar dosto. Today is 13th June 2021. Welcome to my channel Trade Plan Nifty. This channel is my journey in stock market. This is a weekly wrap video on Nifty where in this video we will discuss Nifty's critical level for the coming week, disclose my trade plan and share my learning in MTM on my trading on Nifty till month of June. I hope these discussions will add value to your trade setup and trading ideas. I'm sorry. So before we get into Lalaji, let's have a look into S&P 500. So S&P 500 is looking like it is breaking the consolidation on the top side. On Friday, it has shown a breakaway move from 4240, and it has closed at 4247. So this is definitely looking like a good sign for all the global market. Now, when we look into US government 10 bond yield, it is still at the bottom, somewhere at 1.45. So this is definitely a very good sign. Slightly going up, but 1.45 level shouldn't be a problem. So this is also not a bad sign. Dollar index, although has moved above 90, so it is around at 90.52. So this is now somewhere on the consolidation between 90.91, 90.6, and somewhere below at 89. But this is definitely not a good sign for a bank nifty in India. So with that in background, let's have a look into Lalaji. Now Lalaji on weekly basis is definitely looking in uptrend. So we had consecutively 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 week of up move, and definitely on weekly basis. Although it is in uptrend, it is definitely overstretched. So 8 bar moving average is at 15070, and currently the Lalaji is at 15,800. So this is definitely a overstretch scenario on weekly basis. Now on daily chart, when we see that Lalaji is continuing his super trend and running parallel to 8 bar moving average. And now on Friday, it has formed a doji. Now this doji is not a sign of reversal, but this is definitely a sign that we need to wait for one more candle for a confirmation to decide in which direction the market will go. But definitely here market is showing that bulls and bears are fighting very tough. So for a coming week now, when we see that for a coming week we have a very good support for a market at 15,725, which is my blue dotted line. This is a magical line. Then green line. I use a very simple trade setup. If you want to know more about my trade setup, then check out my video called Trade Setup Explanation on my YouTube channel, Trade Plan Nifty. So 15,725 will now act as a very good support for a market, because this will become conjunction of 8 bar, the pivot, weekly pivot, and as well as weekly L3. Then we have a next support which is at 15,651, and definitely a very good support at 15,560. On top side, now market will have resistance which is at 15,835, then 15,873, then 15910, and if 15910 is broken, then we are looking for 15947, which is weekly H4. But 15910 will definitely act as a strong resistance, which is a monthly H3 for market. So that should be the near term target for the market. But for this week, the target could be 15873. Now it all depends, because this is a very critical junction, and it all depends upon how bank nifty is going to move, because bank nifty is consistently underperforming. So when we look into bank nifty, what we see here on bank nifty, specifically when we look on weekly chart, we see that bank nifty has a very strong resistance. If I keep it like this, so after this famous Nirmala candle, we had a downfall and then we are going up. So somewhere it is forming like a M pattern, which may indicate that market bank nifty may come down if it is not able to cross above 35,740. So 35,740 is acting as a very strong resistance for a market. So 35,740, 35,750, that's the range where bank nifty is finding difficult to cross. So unless and until bank nifty will move above 35,750, it's going to get difficult for Lalaji to go on the new high. And in the last week, Bank Nifty has shown a red candle. So definitely Bank Nifty is underperforming. Now when we look on daily chart on Bank Nifty, it has closed below 8 bar but just about 20 bar moving average. And now the Bank Nifty will have a support at 34,900. Let's hope that 34,900 is not broken. If 34,900 is broken, then Bank Nifty is definitely testing 34,299. So Bank Nifty is going to become very critical for the next move of Nifty. But having said that, Nifty on daily chart is definitely in uptrend. Now on 15-minute chart, when we see that Lalaji has comfortably closed above just on the 8, above 20, above 50 and above 200. So here also the market is in uptrend. So Lalaji on moving average clearly shows that it is in uptrend, but definitely overstretch. Now when we look into market profile for Monday, we see that Monday's CPR is way above Friday's CPR. So definitely the trend is up. Now let's look into where the opening could be. So currently when we look into SGX, SGX is at 15,770. Now this changed the game. So when we say 15,770 is the opening, we have a pivot at 15,795. So which is here 15,795. So now opening will be 15,770. So opening will be below pivot, and L3 is at 15,775. So tomorrow on Monday, my trade plan is that if the open is below pivot, which is 15,796, then it is a sell on rise market. Then we look forward to sell the market at either at pivot, which is at 15,790, or at H3, which is at 15,823. It is somewhere here. And H4 is 15,846, which is closer to R1 and also closer to Friday's high. So if we get a open which is below pivot, which is at 15,790 95, 15,795, then this sell on rise for a target of S2, which is at 15,709, which is also 200 bar moving average. And now S2 will act, or 15,725 will start acting as a good support. So from here, you can look for a reversal again for a target of 15,835. So Monday is going to be a critical day. Let's hope that 15,709 is not broken. That is 200 bar moving average. So any open below pivot is sell on rise, and if it opens above pivot, then it is a buy on dip market. I'm already carrying two position from Friday home with me for Nifty 17 June 15750 CE. So my trade plan is that I will hold this position. If the open is below pivot, then any rise I will exit the position and I will go for a PE. And if it is opening above pivot, then I will just maintain the position and I will see how the market are performing. So that's my trade plan for Monday. Please consult your financial advisor before you take any trade. So now what happened? Let's review what happened on Friday. So on Friday, the idea was to buy on dip, and market had a gap up opening, and exactly somewhere closer to R1, somewhere here, I entered my both the lot, and then I just carried my both the lot, and I did not do anything. And eventually, this was the time when I was getting my vaccine, and I couldn't exit the lot. But anyways, the idea was that I will carry this home, so I have carried them home. So was the learning. Learning now is specifically the biggest learning for me in the last week was this trend day miss out. So market will Lalaji will give one opportunity in a month to make big money, and one as soon as the trade setup gives you an indication that the trend day is going to come, you have to keep your guard up and ensure that you are there to win the maximum from the market. Currently market are at very critical level. So Monday will decide in which direction the market is going to go, and that will be largely will be defined by Bank Nifty move. I hope these discussions are adding value to your trade setup and trading idea. Welcome to all my new followers. Stay healthy, wear mask. Jai Hind.